In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a contact record in HubSpot CRM. Whether you're new to HubSpot or just need a quick refresher on this essential task, I've got you covered. So let's get started by heading over to the HubSpot website. Launch your preferred web browser and type in hubspot.com. This will bring you to the homepage of HubSpot, a powerful platform for managing customer relationships and driving business growth. Once you are on the homepage, you'll want to look for the Login button. It's typically located in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on that button and you'll be directed to the login page where you'll need to enter your account credentials. Be sure that you have your username and password handy. If you don't have an account yet, you might consider signing up for one so you can follow along with this tutorial and make use of HubSpot's CRM features. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the HubSpot home dashboard. This is where you can access all of HubSpot's tools and features. From here, locate the CRM option. It's usually located in the main menu or dashboard, depending on your HubSpot setup. Click on CRM and it will take you to the section where you can manage all your customer information. In the CRM interface, you'll see several options to navigate through. Focus on the Contacts section next, which is vital for today's task. Click on Contacts and you'll be presented with a list of existing contacts if you have any in your HubSpot database. Now, to add a new contact record, search for a button labeled Create Contact. It's often highlighted to make it easy for users to find. When you're ready, click on this button to open the form where you'll input the new contact's details. You'll then see a window prompting you to fill out information about the contact you wish to add. HubSpot will typically ask for essential details like the contact's first and last name, email address, company, and any other customizable fields your organization might have set up. Take your time filling this out, as accurate information will make your CRM more effective. Double check the information you've entered to ensure it's correct and complete. Once you've filled in all the necessary details, look for the Create button at the bottom or top of the form. Clicking this will save the contact information you entered and add the new contact to your list in HubSpot. And there you have it, you've successfully created a contact record within HubSpot CRM. Remember, keeping your contact information well organized will greatly benefit your outreach efforts and help maintain strong relationships with your connections. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips on maximizing your use of HubSpot.